Living alone can be tough, especially if you're a senior or have mobility challenges, but what if I told you there are simple gadgets on Amazon that can make everyday life safer and way easier? From reaching high shelves to applying lotion without bending, these tools are designed to help you stay independent and comfortable. Stick around, because I'm showing you the top must-have assistive gadgets that every senior or disabled user should know about. Let's get started. First up, Wonder Tray. Hey friends, let me show you something that's about to make couch life even better, the Wonder Tray. This oversized lap desk swivels a full 360 degrees, so whether you're eating, working, gaming, or just binge watching Netflix with snacks, no judgment. It's always in the perfect spot. It fits most couches, recliners, and chairs, and you can easily adjust the height to match your setup. The big 20 by 15 inch surface gives plenty of room for a laptop, plate of food, or even your, I swear it's just one more craft project. What I love most is that sleek arm that wraps around your chair, way sturdier than those flimsy fold-up trays. Honestly, it's like having a personal butler, minus the awkward small talk. Price, $113.45. Next up, Vever Threshold Ramp. Alright folks, if you've got a tricky doorway or step that's a pain to get over, the Vever Threshold Ramp is a lifesaver. It's 4 inches tall, built from heavy-duty aluminum, and can handle up to 800 pounds, so wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, even power chairs roll right over without stress. The adjustable design means you can tweak the height to fit your doorway perfectly, and it's got a non-slip tread so nobody's sliding around. Best part? No tools needed, it just slides together and you're good to go. Indoors, outdoors, garden, or garage, this ramp's got you covered. Honestly, it's tougher than your in-laws' questions at family dinner. Price, $71.99. Move on. Drive Medical Shower Chair. If you want peace of mind in the shower, the Drive Medical Shower Chair is a solid choice. It's built with a sturdy aluminum frame, supports up to 300 pounds, and comes with a comfy backrest you can remove if you prefer a simple stool. The non-slip suction feet keep it locked in place on wet surfaces, so no wobbling or sliding around. Plus, it adjusts to your height with an easy push-button system, making it super user-friendly. Drainage holes in the seat mean no puddles building up while you bathe. Honestly, it's like having a trusty sidekick in the shower, minus the awkward conversation. Price, $49. Gadget Under Desk Elliptical. Want to sneak in a workout while sitting at your desk or watching TV? The Gadget Under Desk Elliptical is made for that. It's super quiet, so you won't annoy your coworkers or wake the family, and you can choose between 12 manual speeds or 3 auto modes depending on your mood. You can pedal forward or backward to hit different muscles, which is perfect for seniors, rehab, or just anyone who wants a low-impact way to stay active. The built-in LCD display keeps track of your time, calories, and steps, while the upgraded remote control lets you change settings without even bending down. Honestly, it's the kind of multitasking we all need, exercise without leaving your chair. Price, $101.99. LED magnifying glass. Struggling to read small print or inspect details? The 30x LED magnifying glass is a game changer. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and comes with 12 built-in LED lights so you can read clearly even in low light. Perfect for seniors, hobbyists, or anyone checking coins, stamps, or tiny text without straining their eyes. The double glass lens gives you a crisp, distortion-free view, making it way better than those cheap plastic magnifiers. It's basically like giving your eyes a superpower. Price, $9.99. Vive 32-inch suction grabber. If you hate bending, stretching, or struggling to grab stuff off the floor, the Vive 32-inch suction grabber is about to become your new best friend. This tool has strong suction cup tips that grip everything from cans to trash without slipping, and the extra long handle makes reaching way easier. Perfect if you've had surgery or just want to avoid back strain. It's super lightweight, no hand strength needed, and the ergonomic grip feels comfortable even if you use it often. Seniors, wheelchair users, or honestly anyone tired of playing fetch with dropped items will love it. Plus, it comes with Vive's lifetime guarantee, so they clearly believe in it. Price: $29.99. Able Life Stand Assist. Getting up from a couch or recliner doesn't have to feel like a wrestling match. The Able Life Stand Assist is a smart grab bar system that gives you stability and balance when sitting or standing, making it perfect for seniors, people in rehab, or anyone who needs a little extra support. It's fully adjustable to fit most chairs and couches, and the padded handles are super comfortable while supporting up to 300 pounds. Setup is simple. Just place it around or under your cushion and you're good to go. This thing helps you stay independent without sacrificing comfort or style. Price: $90. Stair Assist Cane. If stairs feel like a challenge, the Stair Assist Cane might just become your new best friend. It's designed to take the effort out of climbing up and reduce the impact when coming down, making stairways way safer and more comfortable. You can use one cane for support or grab a pair for extra stability, especially handy if your stairs don't have a railing. The non-slip foam grip feels secure and comfy in your hand, and the height is adjustable so it fits you just right. Best part? No tools needed. It assembles in minutes and tucks away easily when not in use. A real game changer for seniors, post-surgery recovery, or anyone who wants more stair confidence. Price: $49.85. Comfort Drive Car Seat Cushion. Hey friends, if you're spending long hours in your car or at your desk and your back is screaming at you, check this out. This is the Comfort Drive Car Seat Cushion. It's perfect for drivers, office workers, or anyone dealing with sciatica or lower back pain. Just place it on your seat, and that high-density memory foam instantly supports your tailbone and promotes proper posture. Goodbye, aching back. What sets this one apart is the smart W-shaped design that adds 2.5 inches of height, giving you better road visibility and comfort all at once. It's wrapped in breathable mesh and sleek leather, so it looks stylish while keeping you cool. Honestly, it's like giving your seat a hug, but a memory foam one. Price: $34.99. Vive Lotion Applicator. Hey guys, if you struggle reaching your back or feet when applying lotion, creams, or sunscreen, this little gadget is a game changer. Meet the Vive Lotion Applicator. Perfect for seniors, anyone with limited mobility, or just lazy days when bending is a pain. It's super simple to use. Just load up one of the 4 textured applicator pads and glide it over your skin for even coverage. No drips, no fuss. The standout feature? That 17.5-inch curved handle with a non-slip grip, so you can reach anywhere without twisting yourself into a human pretzel. Plus, it's waterproof and durable, so it'll last for years. Honestly, it's like having a mini spa helper built right in. Price: $9.99 5. We reached the end of this video, so which of these gadgets grabbed your attention? Drop a comment below, smash that thumbs up if this helped, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Prime Day update. Share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching.